Encouraging your child to study longer can be challenging, but with the right support and encouragement, you can help them develop effective habits to study for long hours. Fostering good study habits in your children is essential for their academic success. This may enhance their learning but also sets them up for success in the long run. Here are daily habits that can extend your child's study hours and maximize their academic potential. Establish a consistent routine. Consistency is key when it comes to studying. Help your child establish a daily routine that includes dedicated study hours. Consistency will train their minds to focus during these predetermined times, making it easier for them to concentrate for longer periods. Create a distraction-free study space. Set up a designated study area that is free from distractions such as noise, clutter, electronic devices, or siblings playing nearby. A quiet and organized environment will help your child concentrate better and prolong their study sessions. Encourage regular breaks. Encourage your child to take short breaks during study sessions to rest and recharge their minds. Short breaks allow them to relax their mind, prevent burnout, and maintain focus while studying. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals is a fundamental aspect of effective studying for children. Achievable goals are those that are relevant to your child's academic needs, interests, and priorities. By setting realistic goals, your child can stay focused, track their progress, stay motivated, and build confidence as they work towards their academic objectives. Break tasks into manageable segments. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable segments, and encourage them to focus on completing one task at a time. This approach prevents overwhelm and makes it easier for them to stay focused for extended periods without feeling mentally fatigued. Encourage active learning techniques. Encourage your child to engage in active learning techniques such as summarizing, teaching concepts to others, or creating flashcards. Active learning promotes deeper understanding and retention of information, enabling your child to study more efficiently and for long hours. Promote healthy habits. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Encourage your child to prioritize their physical well-being by eating nutritious meals, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep each night. Regular exercise can also improve concentration and cognitive function, making it easier for them to study for longer periods. Limit screen time. Excessive screen time can hinder your child's ability to focus and concentrate on their studies. Set limits on recreational screen time, including TV, video games, and social media, especially during study hours. Encourage alternative activities like reading, hobbies, or outdoor play to help them unwind and relax without relying on screens. Celebrate each achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your child's efforts and achievements, no matter how small. Positive reinforcement boosts their confidence, strengthens their motivation, and fosters a positive attitude towards studying. Be a role model. Be a role model for your child by demonstrating good study habits in your own life. Let them see you reading, learning, and managing your tasks effectively. Your actions speak louder than words and inspire your child to emulate similar habits. By implementing these daily habits into your child's routine, you can help them develop the skills and mindset needed to study effectively for longer periods. Remember to be patient and supportive throughout the process, as building these habits takes time and consistency. With your guidance and encouragement, they can develop the skills and mindset needed to excel in their studies and beyond.